Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming with my mom and we're going to be doing a get ready with us holiday edition. So we're going to be using our own makeup and creating a holiday look to go out and do some Christmas shopping with. So if you want to see how it turns out, then keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to be starting out with primer. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminous face primer from Wet n Wild. And what are you going to be starting out with?
I'm going to start out with...
Not too much.
That's a primer?
Yeah.
I'm going to start out with Mineral Primer.
From Young Blood.
Yes.
And I'll try avoiding the eyebrows because we don't need that in our life like that yet.
So, I don't usually wear... I mean, I do wear makeup, but I don't wear a lot. It feels so good and silky.
So this is the Young Blood Mineral Primer. I did get this out of the dumpster, but it wasn't used. It was like in a package. Alright, so for all my subscribers and new people coming, what do you think about us dumpster diving?
What do I think about it?
Yeah.
Well, I did it when I was younger, so I mean, it's not. As long as you're using gloves, which
We get yelled at.
we've gotten onto her a lot about it. And she has gloves, it's just she'll either forget them at home or just forgets to put them on. So we do get onto her about it. But I mean, there's like all kinds of stuff you can find. And majority of the time, it's new. Wrapped up.
Yeah.
People return things and they have to give the money back, so that's just the way it is.
That's the tea with that. Real quick, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. brow pencil. This is in, I'm guessing, dark brown. This is actually hers because I forgot mine. So.
Alright, so I'm going to put foundation on, and this is by Maybelline, Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. And this has the sunscreen in it, which is, it's good. I have freckles, so you want to have sunscreen, protect your face. And that's our dog fighting in the background. So this is supposed to be full coverage, but I have a hard time with full coverage, the word full coverage, because I have freckles. The reason why is because, and I'm going to use her brush that I got her. I got this off of Wish. I like it because it has like a little hole right here. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, yeah. I just think that full coverage should be covering up some freckles, and for some reason it doesn't.
I don't think any foundations, and my freckles are way lighter than yours are, and my freckles don't even get covered majority of the time. And I have less than you and they're lighter.
Yeah. Booty with you. Alright. See, you're like way ahead of me. You already started putting eye stuff on.
I just did my brows. So you already have your face on.
Oh! Oh. Oh! Oh. My face is on? What is that, a term?
Like, your foundation's on.
You don't have your foundation on?
No.
Oh. Well, it's because some people like to do their eyes first.
I do my eyes first because I'm a messy person.
Oh, another thing is that I don't want to feel that I put foundation on my face.
Basically, so far, is I've used the e.l.f. concealer and highlighter, and I used the concealer to shape out and carve out my brows, and then I used the Instant Age Rewinder from Maybelline and use this to conceal my eyes, and then I set it with the Coty Airspun loose face powder.
I am not good at this eyebrow thing.
You can just clean it up. We'll clean it up. We'll clean it up.
What is that called?
Coty Airspun. That's really good though.
What do you think about these brows, guys?
I think they're a little bold.
Well, I'm a little bold, so.
Alright, so we're gonna go in with a usual simple look today. Just like brush them out.
I did. I did, but they're still bold. You gonna tell them what you did when you were a kid?
No, you can.
She went to school and some kid told her she had a unibrow. She didn't know what a unibrow
Well, I
was.
liked this kid.
She
Was
didn't.
the thing.
She didn't know what a unibrow was. Let's just put it that way. And so she comes home from school and she goes
Child.
by herself. I think she was in her room or the bathroom.
I had this. You had a vanity, and it was in my room. So I would sit in the vanity and just like, I don't even know what I was doing. I was like looking at myself or something. So I got like tweezers and I just started plucking.
So she plucked, like, I think it was like from here. Wasn't it like from here?
I don't know which eyebrow it was. I think it was.
Well, I
It
could
was
tell.
probably this one, because this one is always bolder.
Whichever is the fullest. It's not bald. It's the fullest. So she would, she plucked them all out and then came out of the room, and I about had a fit. I was like, what did you do? Oh my gosh. Where did your eyebrows go? And I had to explain to her what a unibrow was. And then she thought all the hair up here was a unibrow. So she thought she would remove it all. Bear with me because I don't do makeup, I'm serious. So Anastina gave me this Darkest Dusk palette. So I'm gonna use this.
Look at your eyebrows. Chips.
Mmm.
What kind of dip do you want?
You doing that on purpose?
So I went ahead, cut my crease, set my eyelids. So now I'm gonna be going in with
Hey, you said Christmassy, didn't she?
this shade, which is like this really dark hazelnut color.
This is what happens when y'all give me makeup. Anastina. Okay, you look worse than me right now. And you're supposed to be the one that knows what you're doing. Guy, like somebody punched you.
No, it was like just started falling out underneath.
Okay. How's your mom looking?
Laura.
She said I look like a 5-year-old. Oh. Alright, let's do a little, what do they call it? Buffing out? Buff it out. Buff, 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 buff. I have to go.
And we're gonna bronze up the skin before putting foundation on
What are you saying?
because I'm pale.
As hell. What do we
I
want
don't
to
know
do?
if I'm feeling my eye look or not. It looks a
I'm
little crusty.
totally feeling my eye look.
I think mine looks crusty.
What do you guys think? I need to get me some new eyeliner. So Almay eyeliner. It is. For
If
right
you
now.
know any good ones, let us know.
Yes, and I like it to where it's like soft, goes on nice and smooth, but doesn't like run.
I don't know, I feel like Devin!
Add some color to you.
Alright, so we're gonna take that. Devin's face.
What?
We're gonna put on some powder.
Oh my gosh, look at those lashes.
Do not.
Devin.
Kid's trying to throw an apple at me.
My son's being obnoxious. Devin, when are you gonna let your sister do your makeup? Never.
Really,
You
Devin?
can't say that. Well,
You just made that part.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're so mean.
This dip is so good.
What?
Okay.
I used to
like
not have, like,
So I'm gonna take the highlight from this palette, which is Dashing Through the Glow,
dashing through the glow in one horse open sleigh.
because I want to make sure that all these reindeer know where to come.
Yeah, I'm not comprehending the whole put stuff on your nose so that your nose has a lot of attention on it.
Well, you're only supposed, if you have a big nose, you should only do it on like a small portion, not all over.
Hold on, you got a little hair on your nose. I think it's from your brush. Well, I guess.
So if you have a big nose, you don't put it all over. But if you have a small nose, like us, you could just do boop, and it looks great.
Well, I have a pointy nose with a
So-
slope.
With a slope.
With a slope.
Well, you're gonna be dashing through the slopes.
Dashing through the slope. So
Look at
there's
that.
what? Did you see that, guys? Did you see that, Devin?
Devin, how's my glow? Can you erase the blinding?
No, it looks good. I like it.
Ew.
Like, So
Hey, can I have
does
some
it look a
chips?
little better now? He said no. How about we not eat while we're doing this?
But I'm kind of hungry. It could be a mukbang.
So I used to always put eyeliner on the top. I do a pretty good wing, but I'm just not sure if I want to do a wing or not.
Can't relate.
Well, I haven't done a wing in a long time, so it could be a little bit rough. Oh, another eyeliner that I love, 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 love. Wait, that's not it. Oh, I hope I didn't get rid of it, because I need to find it again. Oh, here it is. That one.
Oh, I got that from Ipsy.
I mean, I miss you so much. Where do we get this from?
You could probably find it on their website, like that brand's website.
Yeah, and then. Oh my gosh, look, guys. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it. It goes on so nice and smooth. But my cap is broke, and then I've used it down to where hardly anything is coming out. Did you see how I did that? Ha, ha, ha. My son says it looks terrible.
Your hatchet face.
He's not.
Oof!
That's it. What do you think?
Okay.
Can you not eat? That's rude. Hey,
What are you guys doing?
Filming.
doing makeup. You want us to do your makeup?
No.
Okay, so this is our finished makeup looks. If you like it, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos with my mom, then make sure to like this video and give us some video suggestions down below. Like and subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, turn the bells on for some notifications when we upload, and we will see you in our next video. All right?
What are you laughing at?
I have trouble with the word full freckles.
Full coverage.
I mean full coverage, not full freckles. Ow, 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 ow. All right. Mom, what are you doing? Mom.
I'm out of my comfort zone, okay?
Okay.